Here's how to fix the issue where highlights aren't working on Instagram. Welcome back to another simple app tutor tutorial video, everyone. In this quick video, we're gonna show you a simple trick on how to fix the problem where your highlights aren't working on Instagram, or the problem where you can't add stories to your highlights. As you can see, I've added a little test story for the purpose of this video, but if I go and try to create a new highlight, or add this story to my existing highlights, then you can see that it's not showing my story in the Instagram archive, and the story which I want to add is missing. The fix for this problem is very easy, and all we have to do is to open the Instagram application, and then go over to your Instagram profile. Once here, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, and that will open our settings page. Once we open our Instagram settings, simply scroll all the way down until you see a button that's called Archiving and Downloading. Here it is for me, so I'll tap on it, and just make sure that this option called Save Story to Archive is enabled or turned on. This option will automatically save your photos and videos into your Instagram archive, and that's just what we need. If I now go back and try and create a new story highlight, you can see that I have the test story which I've uploaded, and I can now add this story to my Instagram highlights. But if this step didn't work for you for some reason, then you want to exit Instagram and open the App Store or the Google Play Store, and just make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram application installed on your device. So if you see an update option right here, just click on that and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the Instagram app is downloaded and installed on your device. After updating, it should fix your problem, and the Instagram highlights should work once again. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.